Hello, this is Demetrius Clark for CCU, and today we'll be talking about backup procedures. First, we have remote storage, frequency, attention span, encryption, and RAID arrays. Okay. First, we have remote storage. You have off-site servers, physical servers under there. So you can have an off-site physical server, and in that situation, I would use the PowerEdge T140 tower server. And you also have the cloud-based server. For that situation, I am a Dell fan, so I would have a Dell Edge Cloud. Next, we have the frequency. It's pretty much common sense. Do you want to do it daily for your backups? Do you want to do it bi-weekly? Do you want to do it weekly? Your test backups at your own discretion. So it really doesn't matter if you want to do it every day, if you have the time for that. If you want to do it weekly, monthly, however often you deem necessary for your backups. And test backups at your discretion. I've read and seen where some do it every 6 months to a year just to make sure there's anything faulty within there. So next we have retention span, which means how long do we want to keep it. You can schedule this, and you can also choose to retain just certain specific backups. So maybe everything on your server you don't need to back up all the time. Just certain files that are important to you. Okay, next we have encryption. Encryption, you have AES. And with AES, jump the gun a little bit there. So AES is the Advanced Encryption Standard. It's the trusted standard algorithm used by the United States government. So if the government's using it, typically you think it's a good idea. We know they don't always get it right either, though. Next up, we have triple DES. Triple DES is the successor to the original data encryption standard, which was a DES. And we have the RSA, which is a public key encryption. And we have the Blowfish, pretty cool name. This is designed to replace the DES. Then you also have the Twofish. Twofish is Blowfish's successor. Then we have RAID arrays. So I did not know RAID arrays by their name, but I am actually familiar with RAID arrays. So RAID arrays come in RAID 0, which is for striping, RAID 1 for mirroring, RAID 5, which is for striping with parity, RAID 6, striping with double parity, and RAID 10, combining mirroring and striping. This concludes our PowerPoint. I hope that it was informative and met the requirements for this class. Thank you for your time.